Hello everyone. In today's video, I would like to talk about the benefits of native advertising for your business. Native advertising is a type of paid media that fits the form and purpose of the user conversance on the site or app in which they are placed. In a nutshell, these are ads that are suited and originate universally from your preferred publisher sites to the social channel of your choice. As an advertisement that fits optimally into the user conversance, they are more circumstantial than other forms of digital advertising, for example, display and banner ads. Alternatively, appearing off to the side or across the top of a web page, native ads mimic the appearance, feel, and function of a medium's content, making it more likely that your audience will trust them. Native ads are becoming more and more favored, illuminating for close to 2/3 of digital display and payouts. One of the benefits is efficiency. Native ads appear more naturally and are not disruptive in nature. For that reason, a visitor is more likely to respond well as opposed to more disruptive advertising techniques. When supplemented with quality content, you can be sure to get more conversations with a shorter period of time. Since efficiency is measured with time, the native ads are more efficient as you achieve better results with lesser time. Advertising is a new concept in the digital advertising space. It has gained popularity and acceptance quickly from audiences across the globe, and in all probability is a game changer that will take advertising to the whole new level. The format is now among the would rather have modes of profit margin for social media gurus, contestants in the publishing industry who have been quick to follow the suit. Communication strategy. For a while, traditional communication seemed extinct. With time, things would change as these brand champions would result into reinventing ad production. The secret was to adopt what was working and drop the non-performing communication strategies. Native advertising was one of the adopted strategies, and positive results were there to be seen. The secret winning card for native ads is that the passive and effective conversion technique. It's amazing. Sophisticated targeting. Native advertising allows for every kind of targeting creditable in terms of contextual, demographic, psychographic, location-based, device-based, or internet-based. Winning starts with getting the attention of the right audience. With native advertising, the campaigning organization conducts stressful, targeted campaigns that yield to positive results. Easier attribution. The end game to advertising is conversion. Yeah. Your strategy is effective and worth maintaining when you get the sales adding up. With native ads, the campaign focuses more on what happens after a potential client clicks on the ad. The aim is to close the deal as soon as possible, better than cold calling. Not that anything wrong with cold calling, but it's easier in native advertising because you get easier attribution, That is why you have easy forms to fill, direct purchase processes, and solid on-page actions, including sign-ups, among others. Through native advertising, I was able to get one of my clients 10,000 membership through these sign-ups. So it works. Non-disrupting. Clients prefer brand awareness coming through quality content rather than traditional ads. One of the reasons may be the aggressive nature of the latter option. Native adverts seem to work well, but does so serially yet effectively. Such a mix gives you a working strategy to stick to as you do not cause any disruption that may cause outright resistance from the potential clients. High engagement. There has always been conflict on whether a brand should focus on aggressive ads or great content. Both may work to get traffic, but the end game is not just getting traffic, but conversions too. That is why platforms like StackAdopt have come up with incentive to reward quality. The cost per engagement incentive only to let you pay when a visitor spends 15 seconds and beyond on your content. This strategy compels advertisers to focus on quality rather than aggressive ad production. Social media has had a major impact in marketing and advertisements today. While this is true, reports are proving the growth in impact of native advertising. The latter is catching up with social media and promising more. The adoption rate is on the rise and more effective too. Data intelligence. This means that each ad can build on the success of the other. In this benefit, the program works in such a way that rather than having data stuck within the walled garden, campaign level data is stored in the platform so you can double down on what works and what doesn't. Cost efficiency. Higher click by use of rates ultimately leads to lower cost per click and cost per customer acquisition. User engagement. Users are always open to brand, trying new ways of engaging with them and are appealing to their eyes. We offer native advertising service for your business, so if you need our help, just drop a line and we are here to help you out. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.